All right, Kinfolk, we ended up stopping at Fortress Brewery. What'd you think of that one?
That one's pretty cool. I mean,
not too bad.
Not too bad.
I mean, the beer was like,
yeah, the beer was but it was pretty cool.
Yep, and we also got Joel and his son. They made it, so they're here too. So now we're gonna head to Duke's. They've got crawfish already in Humble, Texas. They already got crawfish, man, which is pretty crazy because it's pretty early in the season. And it was heard that they are pretty decent size. So daughter loves crawfish, so we're gonna go check them out and see how it is over there, and then we'll head out riding some more. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. See you. We ended up coming over to Duke's, had the crawfish. I had some chicken wings. Joel had chicken wings, and his son had a burger. And it was pretty good, man. Crawfish were good.
It was pretty good. Small still, but
small still, yeah. So I mean, season ain't here just yet, but they had them already. So she ended up getting some. They were spicy though.
Yeah, they were
very spicy, but wings are good here. Wings are really good here. So Joel and I and his son about to take off. We're gonna go riding. She's gonna stay here, hang out, and then we'll just catch her on the next one. So we're gonna keep going. So we'll see y'all in a little bit, and I hope you had a great time.
I did.
All right, love you. We'll see you later. All right, see ya.
up, guys?
Oh, shit. Oh, deep. The nephew ran into us. Dang, about time, man. It's been a while since we rode with a guy. Dang, it's dark. Yeah, ain't got no lights in here, but yeah. So we're here, man. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, and then we'll get back with y'all.